Good evening students. This is Padmasri from MBA department working as a assistant professor in PVC ITS Patlapalam. Today we are going to discuss about the concept professional services. So professional services. So we all are know about to satisfy the customer needs and wants. So there is the need requirement of producing of products and services. So okay, in services marketing, so there are different services marketing practices are there. So we all are know about that, maybe telecommunications, educational service sectors, financial sectors, all those things. So one of them are professional services also. So along with that, financial services, educational services, software services, so professional services also plays most pivotal role for satisfying the customer needs and wants. So okay, professional service is a service requiring specialized knowledge and skill, usually of mental or intellectual nature, and usually requires a license, certification or registration. So okay, so professional service, so it requires a license, certification or registration to provide better services to the customers. So okay, professional service is a service requiring specialized knowledge and skill also. So okay, so comparing to remaining financial services, educational services, IT sectors, telecommunication, tourism, so compared to those, so professional services require so specialized knowledge and skill to satisfying the customer needs and wants. So okay, in this, so professional services usually of a mental or intellectual knowledge also, mental or intellectual nature also. So okay, in this, so we are thinking more to satisfy the customer needs, and we will go for the different procedures and strategies for the development of customer needs and wants. So okay, professional service is a service requiring specialized knowledge and skill, usually of mental or intellectual nature, and usually requiring a license, certification or registration. So if we want to provide professional service to customers, compulsory there is the requirement of license, certification or registration. Compulsory, these are the required documents to provide the professional services to the consumers. So okay, professional service forms like, so examples of professional services are law firms, investment banks, consulting firms and auditing firms. So these are the professional examples of professional firms. So lawyers, so compulsory lawyer has to complete the law course, and he has the mental and intellectual thinking capability also. Then only has to provide the better service to their clients. Investment banks, so okay, banks also having the capability how they give loans for customers, what are the actual requirements of, what are the actual needs and wants of consumers. So on the basis of that need, so here also there is the need of registration or license, all those things. Consulting firms, so all these are related to satisfy the customer needs. And moreover, if we observe, so there is a common point. If the customer is facing any problem, he or she can approach the maybe lawyer or investment bank or consulting firms or auditing firms. Next, a professional service is a vocation founded upon prolonged and specialized intellectual training which enables a particular service to the remainder also. So okay, professional service, it is a prolonged and specialized intellectual training. So it is a training. So in this period, this training period, that means they are completing their certification or registration process. So they are specialized intellectual training which enables a particular service to be rendered. Next, the word professional implies professed attainments in special knowledge as distinguished from mere skills. So compulsory professional skills, professional services. So who is providing the professional service to the customer? That may be lawyer or investor or consultant or auditor, whatever may be. So compulsory is getting the more knowledge and skills. Now let us discuss about the service marketing strategies for professional services also. So here in this aspect, service professional services also divided into different categories also. So okay, service marketing strategies for professional services. So okay, this is divided, service marketing strategies divided into two categories. So that is first one is market segmentation for professional services, marketing mix of professional services. So we all are, there is a common point. Marketing mix, marketing 7 P's are applicable for all marketing services, marketing practices. So okay, on the basis of that concept, the 7 P's are applicable. So okay, market segmentation of professional services. So okay, market segment. So we all are know about segmentation. So it is depending on the target market also. So all are know about segmentation means, so it is dividing the target group into sub parts, special parts. So that is called as segmentation. So again, segmentation is dependent on different categories also, on the basis of demographical, geographical, psychographical, all those things. So okay, again market segmentation of professional services is divided into two categories: customer characteristics, buying situation of customers. So customer characteristics is divided on geographics, demographics and psychographics. So okay, here, so demographic, it includes where customers live. So geographic includes where customer lives. So that means where we want to provide the professional service. So okay, here market segmentation of professional services in customer characteristics, geographical includes where the customers live, whereas demographic includes so age, gender, income, family and size of the customer. And last one is psychographic, personality and lifestyle of the consumers or customers also. On the basis of these characteristics, so we have to provide the professional services to the customers. And next one is buying situations of customers. So okay, it includes both benefits of consumers and usage rates also. So that means, so in this, so we have to consider the consumers as well as, so who is the services providing to the customers. Next, market strategies for professional services are marketing mix of professional services. So here also we have to applicable the 7 P's of marketing. 7 P's of marketing mix also. So we all are about first one is product. So okay, here, so if we consider the marketing mix, service package includes the product of. So okay, here what is the product? So generally normal point of view, product means what, that is tangible one. So okay, in professional services means, so law firms, investment banks, consulting firms, auditing firms, all those things. So okay, here marketing mix for professional services is service package. So that means that in this the service offering needs to be customers in a careful and perfect manner. So if we take the better example, one lawyer. So one client has to be approach lawyer for any problem. So he has to consider their problem. Next one is pricing policy. So here the remuneration that the professional services taking, and what are the prospective schemes, claims that give it to the customers. Next one is promotional programs also. So okay, for provide better promotional. So here also they have to utilize the promotional objectives to need clearly defined strategic promotional programs for the benefit of customers. So okay, in this they are using advertising to increase more awareness of their consultancy agencies, banks, all those things. Next one is distribution. So okay, here the location place. So the location decisions are more important in professional services marketing. So where we want to start our consultancy areas or auditing firms, whatever may be. So compulsory, it is very useful to customers to provide the better services. And next one is people aspects of successful delivery, service delivery. So okay, so professional service delivery. So quality depends on the person delivering the service. So that means here internal marketing and staff development programs all are included. Next one is process design. So okay, here process design includes. So there are different aspects of process design. So which can play most important role in professional services. That means if they are providing the quality services to the customers and customer care, appointment systems, specialist services, administrative quality offerings. So whatever may be. So when the customer approaches these professional services, they have to provide the better services. That means treatment of the customer in a perfect manner. And last one is physical evidence. So okay, it is also plays most important role. So to customers assessments of professional service quality. So compulsory customer wants when the customer wants satisfies if he get better results. So if they approach any consulting firm, so if the consulting firm treated very well and they have to give the better solutions to customers, then he or she has to be satisfied. That means it includes judgment on the physical evidence. So that means what is the actual result the customer faces. What is the actual result the customer get. So this is the physical evidence in professional services. So these are the 7 marketing mix of professional services. So marketing mix, services marketing strategies for professional services in 2 categories. So that is professional services, market segmentation, and professional services of marketing mix. Thank you.